Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome to another lesson on JavaScript variable. You've seen how we can declare variable using let and const, which are the recommended ways of declaring variable in JavaScript. But one thing I want us to look at in this lesson is how we can declare many variables in one statement. If you notice in our past practice, so we have always done something like this. Let name equals to maybe, I'll use my name, Toby, and do something like maybe const by equals 3.14. You can see that both are valid JavaScript declaration. But we've never done a part where we add multiple variable on the same line. So I want to demonstrate to us in this lesson that we can add multiple variable on the same line. So I'll take this out and I can do something like this. Okay, this is one, age equals to 12. Add another one, city equals to Manchester. And then if this is all I want to write, you can see this. It's not showing any error. And I can now check out this and say, okay, give me what my name is in the console. I'm saying Toby, right? I can come to another line and do, okay, what is the age I have here? You can see that I'm getting the right and the correct output in the browser console. Why is that? It's because this way I've declared the name, age, and city is a valid way of declaring a variable in JavaScript, which means that you can declare many variables in one statement. And you will notice something that I'm not adding let to each of the other variables that I wanted to add. So I used let once, which is the keyword, and then I added all the variables I want to put on a single line. Also, here I said start the statement with let or const and separate the variables by comma. You notice that I've been using comma to separate the variable. A declaration can span multiple lines. If you want your code to be more neater, I can then break this down on each line. You can see that it is even more readable and more legible as I've broken it down here. So these are the ways by which you can declare a variable on a single line. You can declare multiple variables in one statement. The same way I've used let, you can also use const and then add those multiple variables on the same line. Or if you want elegance and legibility, you can break them and let them span multiple lines. So this way your code stay consistent. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lesson.